Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU. Today we're going to be discussing the pronunciation for the successor of Cydia. For those of you who don't know, Cydia is going to be replaced as the primary third-party package installer for jailbroken devices by the Electra dev team, which of course is spearheaded by hacker Coolstar. If you happen to miss our coverage on it or you didn't know Cydia was going to be replaced, check it out in your cards or down below in the description. Now it's pronounced Sileo. We've been pronouncing it one way simply because we didn't have anything to go on. We haven't had any official word from either Coolstar or the Electra dev team as to how to pronounce this package installer's name until now. Again, it's pronounced Sileo. We've been calling it Silo with a silent E simply because, again, we just had the written version to go on and how it sounded to us and how it sounded in our videos. And also, we've been pronouncing it with a silent E because Sileo is actually a dog medication.
Here to demonstrate the correct way to dose Sileo, a medicine for treating your dog's noise aversion.
But, of course, we now have clarification from Coolstar. Earlier today, he tweeted out a Google Translate link to the official pronunciation. You can tap play to hear it. Again, it is Sileo.
Sileo.
So there you go. But we also have reason as to why it's called Sileo. So it's Latin, and as a verb, it means to resume, but as a noun, it means a new start or beginning, which is an absolutely fantastic name. We're going to be pronouncing it the proper way from here on out, Sileo. And we do apologize to Coolstar and the Electra team. We of course did not mean to offend whatsoever. We have the absolute utmost respect for you guys and everything you've done for the community. Fantastic job thus far. And I just wanted to clarify that Coolstar was in no way throwing shade at us. We just didn't know how to pronounce it. He was clarifying. Now the record's straight and we can pronounce it the proper way in our videos moving forward. So thank you again, Coolstar. And if you guys want to be updated more often, such as when we release new videos covering Sileo, its release, or new jailbreak utilities, just be sure to click that subscribe button below next to our channel name if you have yet to. Ding the notification bell to be ensured you're notified anytime we do. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.